Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. The promoter of Reggae Sumfest, Joe Bogdanovich, says he may be forced to change the venue of the show for the next year's staging. Mr. Bogdanovich made the assertion amidst concern that the festival may have outgrown its venue at Catherine Hall in Montego Bay. TVJ's Andrew Laidley reports.
This is what the crowd looked like on Saturday night. It made things difficult for these police officers performing security checks at the gate. Things got worse in the heat of the night when VIP patrons were being redirected. Why? VIP passes were all done. Promoter Joe Bogdanovich now giving this ultimatum.
I think Catherine Hall, from the shapes of what happened, under its current condition, we're kind of pushing the limits to that location. We might need something bigger, but I think modifications for sure can be made to that venue, and I'm looking forward to have a very active part in that possibility. Otherwise, I'll have to look somewhere else.
Mr. Bogdanovich says executing the two festival nights with the large crowd which turned out was nothing short of a miracle.
To be able to handle the quantity of fans coming in, all coming at once, and being able to process it with, that's a miracle that happened in terms of getting them in so quickly. And I can tell you, the kind of flow that happened over that period of time, the whole week, and the administration and how we as a small, it's not so small, but it's in terms of international terms, we're a very small unit. Maybe we only have 80 people working for us at that time. Maybe it's 100.
Meanwhile, chairman of the tourism product development company, Ian Deere, says the influx of people into the city tested the occupancy capacity of St. James and neighboring parishes.
My understanding is that the hotels are completely full in Montego Bay. In fact, my understanding is that it's completely full from Trelawney right through Montego Bay. There's not a room in the area at all. The incoming passengers, my understanding for the month so far is up by 5% over last year. And last year was a record July.
Mr. Deere also admitted that hoteliers employed additional staff to deal with the overload.
We literally have lines in every single one of our venues, so we have to bring in extra team members. We have to have bigger prep taking place because of the volume that's taking place.
Andrew Laidley, TVJ News.
Relief for motorists as gas prices are going down tomorrow. A litre of 87 and 90 gasoline will cost $3 less. Automotive diesel oil will decline by $1.83, while $1.56 will be shaved off the price of ultra-low sulfur diesel. The price of kerosene will fall by $2.29. Propane will go up by 9 cents, while butane will decline by $1.11. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $137.72. The Canadian dollar closed at $104.36. Sterling sold for $171.87, while the euro ended trading at $156.18. The JC index gained 3,297 points today, while the junior market index rose by 42 points. Stocks posting gains included Key Insurance Company, Diamond Trading, G West Corporation, Honeybun, and Main Event Entertainment Group. On the losing side were Fosrich, Salada Foods, Sterling Investments, Lasco Distributors, and Radio Jamaica. And that's the Business Day. I'm Milton Walker. Good evening.